We're going to go through how to check out and complete your assignments using Repl.it. As I mentioned in class, this is somewhat experimental, so this is how I think it should work. If you're having problems, obviously come see me or the TAs, and we can try and work it out together. So normally what's going to happen is when you get to the lab assignments page within Blackboard, you're going to click on this link here for that particular week, and what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to a page to accept the assignment for that week. And normally you would have to accept it for, I've already accepted it for this account, but you can see we're now given, it created a repo of our own for us to be able to use, right? So once you get to your repo, you're going to click this link that says work in Repl.it, and it's going to redirect you to the Repl.it website. It might take a while to clone your repository into the Repl.it framework, but once you get here, you'll see that there's your source tree here where you can load the README file or the Java files that are in a particular week. But then what we're going to want to do is we're going to eventually want to commit our changes. So say we go into here and we make a change, add some comment, and we save that, right? We can go to our version control. It's going to take a second. And we're going to make a commit comment. So I said adding a comment. And then the last thing we do is commit and push. You can see that the commit is now in your previous commits. One thing you're going to want to do is go back to your GitHub repo and make sure that whatever the last comment is here for a commit is here. And you can also go in and check the particular file that you updated, and you can see add some comment is there. So some people have reported that this particular version control button is not in their Repl.it after they've checked it out and used it. So one way to overcome that is if you come back to your GitHub repo, you can always, from Repl.it, you can download the file. So you can download the entire repository, open it up, and you can see your files are here. So once we come back to GitHub, we can just upload the files that we want to. Making sure that, say this, so I made a mistake here, week1.java needs to go in my source folder. So I'll upload my README first, and then go to my source folder, add a file, upload a file, week1.java, and now it's there. Right? So using the website is a backup. Repl.it, you want to be able to use the version control here. It's going to be the easiest.